Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you what you can do if your headphone jack is not working in your device A6 Lite 5G. So if your headphone jack is not working or you're facing any kind of ear speaker connection problem in your device A6 Lite 5G, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your headphone jack problem or your speaker connection problem.